Hello, loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are diving into this beautiful makeup tutorial with Rose, and I'm so excited to share this with you. This super simple, super fun, and total wearable makeup tutorial. And mind you, and she's also a gorgeous designer. She designed all the clothes she wore on the photo shoots. So I got to know Rose when she was graduating from tailoring school, and she was actually great. I love the way she styled her clothes. I'm not trying to spoil others, but I really love the way her outfit was so beautiful. Her dresses was so good, and I love it. And we had to exchange numbers, and since then have been a number one makeup artist. And whenever she want to style her hair, but not a dread, but whenever she wants to wear a wig, make some style with the wig, I've always been, and she has been calling, and she's a great person. So I'm saying thank you to you. Thank you so much for all your support and all your patronage. Thank you so much. And guys, subscribe to my channel. My name is Love Touch SN. Thank you for your support. So for today's look, I'm starting with this V foundation. I really love this foundation because it gives me a matte dual natural finished, and it's super lightweight, full coverage, long wearing, and I'm using this shade medium that matches the skin tone perfectly. So I had to blend it perfectly well. It's not hard to blend, it's very easy because it's lightweight. If it was not lightweight, it's those strong foundation, it's gonna be hard, but this one is easy, very easy to blend, and it's a shade, it matches a tone, looking so perfect on her. So I have to blend it very well. Gradually, I'll progress down to her neck so that the foundation will not have a line or a demarcation where it stops. So everything really have to sink down, enter her skin so that it will look tone. It's going to look exactly like her skin tone. Okay, I make sure. So I don't know how long you wear or you blend your foundation. Make sure you blend it perfectly well, because I see a lot of person wearing foundation and I saw the line where they stop and all that. Okay, so blending foundation is really good. If you don't blend your foundation well, you're not gonna get matte finish or a beautiful look or a flawless look or this glowing look. So for you to achieve this glowing, beautiful, gorgeous makeup, you have to blend your foundation well so that it will not give creases on the face or the smiling line, wherever. Well, so this is Jacqueline concealer, and I've been obsessed with it. Lately, it got great coverage, but it still feel lightweight, yeah. It doesn't settle into fine lines. I'm using shade 709, and I apply it with a beauty sponge just into the areas I want to highlight. So I'm blending the concealer starting from the inner corner and working it outward. I like to take my time here to make sure everything is really diffusing and there are no ash line, because I tap it out with a beauty sponge, never dragging it, so it keeps the coverage right where I want it, especially under the eyes, because under the eyes is always so important. And if you look down, it's somehow gonna look like it's creasing, but it's not gonna crease because with my beauty sponge that is damped, I'm using it to tap it out. So like if you notice, I'm using two shades. The other shade is 01, which is Adventure. Then I'm also using that Jacqueline too. So the reason why I'm using the 01 in the inner corner of the eye is because I really want the under eye to be really highlighted and very bright. So to tighten everything together, this beautiful blush gives the prettiest fluid of color. I'm placing it on the apple of the cheek, keeps that soft and romantic look. It melts into the skin so nicely, and it makes it look so flawless. Now I'm using MAC Studio Finish Losing Powder to set under the eyes. I love this powder because it finely melts and gives a soft focus effect. It really helps prevent creasing and brightens the area without looking heavy. So so now I'm going in with my loose powder palette to apply all over the face to set the whole face. I'm using a fluffy brush and just slightly pressing it in to lock everything in place and smooth the skin. This powder is super lightweight and gives a soft matte finish. It helps everything last longer, but it keeps the base looking smooth and prevents moving the foundation underneath, because if I don't use this gorgeous powder on it, somehow it's going to be oily. So the powder helps the face to stay intact and pressed in the oil. So initially I used wet blush. So after using the wet blush, I have to go in with my matte blush in this beautiful rosy pink. It's perfect for a soft finish and add this pop of color without emphasizing texture or purse. Okay. I'm blending the blush upward towards the tips to lift the face and give this more structure. It really helps create the start snatch lifted look without using contour. And so I've already used my translucent powder to get the creases free. So right now I'm going in with my setting powder to keep the makeup in place all day. I'm applying the setting powder all over the face, all over, focusing on the T-zone, center of the forehead, where I tend to get oil. It really helps control shine and keeps everything matte without looking heavy, guys. So I'm using my classic matte finish glue to matte the brow, and I'm going to use it, leave it for air to touch it so that it will be dry. Then I'll progress on catching up with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with a few different shades to create dimension. I will also start with a transition shade, which is my light brown and kind of light wine. I would deepen it with the creases and then add some shimmers or colors to the lid, because I really want the I really want the eyeshadow to be very sharp and beautiful. I'm just blending this primer all over the lid. It's going to grab onto the eyeshadow and makes the shade looks more intense and long like wearing. I told you, then I go in with few different shades to contour the creases, which is the eyelid, to contour it. So right now I'm going in to deepen the creases and to add some shimmers and colors to the eyelid. So I'm just lightly outlining the shape of the brow with Karat marker. Okay. Oh no, this marker has a super fine tip, so it's perfect for creating those realistic brow stroke, you know. So I'm just taking it gradually and I'm following it up simply and beautifully, stroking those beautiful lines up and down and making sure it looks natural on the clients, because I wouldn't want my client to complain maybe the brows is big. Because I'm just this is the part I love so much. I'm ready to contour our brow. I'm using concealer to contour the brow. It helps to highlight the brow bone and really makes the shape pop. I'm using a lighter concealer under the brow for that lifting effect and a shade closer to the skin tone above the brow to keep it looking natural but clean. You can also go over the top of the brow if you want an extra sharpness to contour it and to give this definition to the brow. So to contour the lash line, I'm using the Karat black eyeliner on the lash line. It's super pigmented and glides on really smoothly. So after using my Karat to line the under eyelid, I love going in with a soft eyeshadow to sweep or to contour the under eye. It helps the eyeliner to sharpen out, and it to give this definition to the eye or to the eyeliner that I'm using. So it's really beautiful for me to do this, and she love it. So I am in that part that a lot of clients usually cry. I think one of my clients have cried before because I want to wear her lashes. But I'm applying the lashes now that everything is set. It has that extra drama and really completes the look. I love how they open up the eyes and balance out the glam. It's so gorgeous and I like it. So beautiful. And she did not cry. She was just widening out her eyes, telling me, baby, I hope you came with lashes. I was like, how can I not come with lashes? Whoever did makeup that have not worn lashes, or the love person don't like it, but me personally, I like lashes. And most of my clients love lashes except few, or maybe because of religious kind of matter, but maybe I don't know, but a lot of them. Then I progress using my mascara, and I also press in the lashes, make sure it's perfect and it's not like touching her or making her feel itchy somehow. Stretching her body a little. So after letting the setting powder to sit for a few minutes to bake, I'm now blending it away. This technique really helps set the concealer and brighten the under eye without creasing. I like to use a clean fluffy brush and gently sweep it off for a flawless finishing. You can see how gorgeous the under eye and the forehead, the chin is looking like it's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gradually mascaring the under eyelid, okay, with those little hair under the eyelid to add more beautiful volume to the eye and let it be dramatic, baby. I just want it beautiful. I want it dramatic. I want it sharp. I want it pop. I want it gorgeous. In fact, I want it so pigmented. So to everybody watching this makeup tutorial, may God bless you, may God favor you, may God enrich you, may God help you to tell a friend and know a friend to subscribe to my channel. May you like and comment and tell me whatever you see that is not right, because I'm not perfect. I'm always ready to learn and be corrected by people. So tell me at the comment section what you think and what you like about this makeup tutorial look. Thank you so much. So we all know that sometimes nose contour can either turn good or bad. Sometimes can change the structure of the makeup, because nose contour is really really important on a makeup. So is either when you contour your nose, it's going to burn and it's going to look funny. So I'm contouring the nose using a small brush and a cold tone contour shade, just slightly drawing two lines down the side of the nose to achieve this beautiful snatched tiny so slim finishing nose. Up this beautiful glam with a natural lip liner and glowing it out with a gorgeous lip gloss make the structure of the lips so perfect and so beautiful. Hey, look at that. You can see how gorgeous the lipstick, the eyeshadow, the eyebrow, the concealer on the eyebrow, the eyeliner, the setting powder, the blush, and the glowing, which is the bronzer. So I'm getting her ready for the shoot and I'm styling her hair. You can see the photographer, she's a lady and she's so gorgeous. So we keep styling her. She's wearing this gown. She made this gown and she can divide it, and she made this particular one. Yeah, this is looking like an like I don't know how to explain it, but it's so beautiful. Like it's so beautiful, and she's giving us this body move because she is a model too. And this she made this jacket, the jumpsuit. In fact, she was just vibing, giving us dance back to back, guys. So I'm saying thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you, one love. See you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to give me a real big thumbs up. Thank you.